Hello everyone. Hello friend. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am your instructor and today we are building something super cool. A web app that is scrap product review. So let's see that demo of this web app. What we will do here, we will come Flipkart website. Here is some product. Okay. We will extract that product review. We can use this review for sentiment analysis. We can use this review for some various project in for in data science field. So let's see this demo of this project. So here we will take any phone data like Redmi A3X. We will click here and what we will do, we will copy this product link and we will come to our mini web app and we will paste here and it will give us a review. It will take time because it is extracting review from that Flipkart website. It's taking a little bit time because of maybe internet. Yes, see this result. Okay, what product we scrap here? Redmi A3X, this one. Okay, so if we will come here we can see all review here. Okay, and like good quality product review by Flipkart customer, cheap and best, brilliant by Anthony Das. And again another review is mind-blowing purchase by Jisnu CMK. And you can cross check this review. This come from this website actually. See here we can see cheap and best and super Anthony Das and see here super Anthony Das. So we are going to build mini web app that let you to scrap product review from website like Flipkart using Flask and Selenium and beautiful soap. This is perfect if you are into data science and data analyst and if you are interested in web scraping project, and this is a real project. Okay, so just let's come again. And before starting this project I want to give you quick warning. Please use this tool for education purpose only, strictly for education purpose. Web scraping must be done ethically and responsibly. Res- Respect website term and services. So come to the code and this is app.py, the heart of our project. Let's go through its line by line because I want you to understand everything. Let's go from Flask import Flask request render template. What is it? We imported Flask and few tools like Flask, set up our web server request, let us read from data from user, and render template help us to show HTML page. Another library is import request. This is normally used to make HTTP request. We imported it just in case, but in this script we are actually using Selenium for page loading. So you can remove it also. I just imported here to show you. And another third line in we can see BS4 import beautiful soap. What is it? Just give me 1 minute. Yeah, so this is beautiful soap. It's a Python library used for phrasing HTML and XML. We will use this to extract review content from the web page. Which web page? Flipkart web page, to extract product reviews. Think of beautiful soap as your digital magnifying glass. And come to this from Selenium import WebDriver, Selenium WebDriver Chrome.service, import service, WebDriver Manager Chrome. What is it? Here come the big player, Selenium. It open a browser, click button, scroll page, all automatically, super handy when website load content with JavaScript. And web driver manager, yeah, driver manager is here, is a helper that download the correct Chrome driver version for us. No more manual download. Another is app Flask name. What is it? We are initialize our Flask app here. This setup the foundation of our mini web app. And here, what about app.root? So this is our home root. When a user visit our site, they will land on the home page and we render HTML file called index.html, it's here. Okay, when the user will input his link, okay, they will insert his link, then they will get result which contain a simple form for them to paste the product URL and that simple page here. If you will run this code, then you can see that yeah, this is the simple product URL. This is HTML because okay, so ignore this. uh, this is our page here that user will input it, that URL. I just want to I just want you to show this index.html. Okay, let's come back to the app.py. And another is here, this is root. This root get activated when user submit the form. Notice it use the post method. Okay, this one, this root get activated when the user submit the form, and it use post method, which is typically for sending data securely. Okay, here we are using post method. And here, what about this? Just making sure in this line, if request method equal to post, here just we are making sure the request method is post before proceeding. And what about this try? We wrap the main logic in try block to handle any unexpected error. Okay, how? So this line, product link, request.form content. What about this? We grab the product URL that user entered into the form. It fetched the it fetched from the HTML input file name. Okay, and what about that file name? Content. And another is header. This header help to disguise our request as a real human browser, not a bot. So because if you will start web scraping, then maybe that website will block you because they will think you are a bot. So for that we have to define header. Okay, so it will act like a real human browser, it will not look like a bot. And come to here, and this is what about this? We are configuring Selenium browser. Headless means no parameter browser window pop-up. It run the background, no sandbox, and disable that this line are just stability quick, especially used for server or Linux. And another line is, will come here, get the product page content. This line launch the Chrome browser using the option we defined and install the correct Chrome browser if needed, all automated. Okay, and another line is here. Now the main thing will start from here. Okay, this all was we are defining everything there. Now the main scrapping will start from here. Okay, so we will understand this with in good concept, in easy way. So what about this line? So this browser open the URL we got from the user. Okay, whatever URL we will whatever product URL you will insert in that index.html, so that URL will come here, and this product bs that beautiful soap will clean clean that it will do HTML tracer. Okay, once the web page will load, we grab its HTML source and praise it using beautiful soap. Here we will use beautiful soap library. And about what about this product name? So that we have to extract that product name also. Okay, like what product URL you will insert, that product, that name will extract by this. And you have to see what is this div class and c7 fehh. So we are extracting the product name. Now remember, this class name C7 FEHH is a specific to Flipkart right now and could be changed at any time. So always inspect the web page with DevTool to find the correct class. If this line is failed, it probably because Flipkart updated their website layout. So we will see from where I get this div class and CFFEHH, from where this. So let's come again to the product link. For example, this is our product. Okay, Motorola G45. What we have to do? We have to do inspect here, and come here. We have to click here, and uh, yeah, where it is written. So you can see here this product is in this class div class C7FEHH. From here I get this and see you can see here that product name is written. So from here I copy this C7FEHH. So maybe in future it will change, and if that project will not work then you can replace this, okay, by searching from here. So from this C7FEHH class we copy this product name, and here what we are doing, we grabbing all the block that contain individual review. Again classes name matter. So here we can see where all reviews are written in that web page. So that all reviews are written in div class rcx board. So come we I will show you this rcx board where it is. So again we will come on that product and we will go to the review section. Yeah, that all reviews will be here written, and so you can see here. So that review name is written here pretty good, okay. Where it is in div class where it is in rcx board. So in rcx board that all reviews are written, okay. So from here I grab this, you can copy from there, maybe in future it might change it. So if that project will not work, so you have to replace this, okay. So this rcx board here the review will be written. Come here, I will show you where it that review is written, worthy every penny. And you can see we will go more div best budget f5g phone. So all review will be written here. Now come back again to the code, and what we are doing here in this line review equal to and that big bracket. So we are initialize an empty list to store all scrapped review. Here we will loop through each review box to pull out the detail like name, rating and comment. What about this? We try to extract the review name. If it's not available, we fall back to no name. Always use try except when scrapping website are messy, okay. So whenever you are scrapping, just use this try and except method. So from where I am getting this name, from where I will get that name, reviewer name. So let's come, I will show you this class also, it will be here. From where I got that paragraph class, and that class name is this. So come we will see that name also, reviewer name. Any reviewer, yeah. See that where it is written. So it is in written that reviewer name who gave review here, that Narendra Pratap Singh. And see you can see here where it is written paragraph class and what that class name. So from here you have to select that class name, okay. Maybe in future it will change. I am repeating again and again, because if they will change a website design or anything, then maybe it will change in future. So you have to replace it, okay, from here if you are watching in future. Come back again, and here what we are doing, again we are using, for example, if that for reviewer name is not written, then it will give no name, okay. Again we are what we are doing, we are extracting rating here, okay. From where div dot text, how I written this. So I will show you this also, and come back again to the product, and same thing I will do here. See here 5 review is written, okay. So where it is, 5 is here. So it is in div class, div dot text. So it is in text. So 4 div is here. That's why I written there div dot text, okay. If rating is not there, then it will show except no rating. Similarly I did there no comment heading, okay. So div dot p dot text, okay. For example, like that comment heading will be there, review heading will be there, and after that review is there. Similarly I did for review also, div dot find all. So you have to replace if it will not work in future, okay. And what we did here, uh, where we are, review dictionary. So what we did here, we save each review as dictionary and it is in our list, okay. And after that, what we are doing, always quit the browser once you are done to free up the resource. So this was that scrapping. And now what it will do, from here we send the product name, and from here what we are doing, we send the product name and all the scrap review to our result.html. Where is result.html? Here. So come, yeah, that all review will be here. Okay, that reviewer name will be come here, that reviewer comment will be here. So I define this, that all code you will get in my GitHub link. I will provide you a description. And what about this? This is the last line of this project. So finally we run the Flask server and debug equal to true help us while testing because it's so error in the browser. So this was our app.py code, and this is our index.html. I written some CSS code also to it will look good. And in HTML, in result.html also I written some CSS code, so it will look good. But the main thing is here, okay? So you will get all the code, and what we have to do, we have to just run this code. And again, I want to show you this how this project is working. And one more thing, how you have to set up. Just for example, what you have to do, you have to make one folder. Okay, you have to open that folder in VS Code, and after that, what you have to do, you have to make again one more folder from here. Okay, and in this folder, you have to, for example, I will make like TEMPL. For example, think like it's template folder. Okay, what about what you have to do here? You have to make index.html. Similarly here, like index, I can't make same name, index.html. Okay, so like that you will create. Again, what you have to do, you have to make result.html similarly. And after that, just make one more thing here. I written here app.py. You can make application.py, and after that you can write that all code. Okay, I will provide you all that code. And let's run this code again, and let's see again how this project is working. Right now this project is this project is working because I fixed everything correctly. Similarly, what you have to do, you have to paste any product link like I did already, maybe player link, and just you have to run, and it will extract all review from that website. So this is our full project. I hope you like this video. So let's recap again. We built a working Flask app. It take a product link, a scrap review using Selenium and beautiful soap. And again, I want to give you reminder that only scrap website that you have permission, or just use it for education purpose. Okay. So see again, maybe player 12 hour, and that all reviews are written here. Now, what I want to give you next task, how we can export this data in a PDF form. Just try to do by yourself. If you have any doubts, just let me know in a comment box. If you found this useful, smash the like button, hit subscribe for more data science and Python project, and drop a comment if you want a full tutorial. Okay, I already gave you full tutorial for, but if you want me to design one more thing, I have to add one more thing, like how you can extract this data in a excel form, CSV form, so that you can use this data to make a project like a sentiment analysis and another thing. So that's it for today. I hope you will like this video. Okay, share with your colleagues. Thank you so much. I will see you in next video again.